To understand why Venmo is asking you to use Plaid, it is essential to grasp the concept of Plaid and its role in facilitating online financial transactions. Plaid is a financial technology company that provides a platform for securely linking bank accounts to various financial applications and services, including Venmo. The primary reason Venmo asks you to use Plaid is to authenticate and verify your bank account information. This is a necessary step to ensure secure and compliant transactions. When you link your bank account to Venmo using Plaid, you are essentially granting Venmo permission to access your account information, which is then used to facilitate transactions. The process of using Plaid with Venmo is straightforward. First, you will be prompted to select your bank from a list of available institutions. Next, you will be redirected to your bank's website, where you will enter your login credentials to authenticate your account. Once your account is authenticated, Plaid will securely link your bank account to Venmo, enabling you to make transactions. Using Plaid with Venmo offers several benefits, including enhanced security and compliance. Plaid's platform is designed to meet the highest security standards, ensuring that your sensitive financial information is protected. Additionally, Plaid's authentication process helps to prevent unauthorized transactions and reduces the risk of fraud. It is worth noting that you have the option to decline using Plaid and instead manually enter your bank account information. However, using Plaid is generally the recommended approach, as it provides an additional layer of security and streamlines the transaction process. In summary, Venmo asks you to use Plaid to securely link your bank account and authenticate your account information. By using Plaid, you can enjoy enhanced security, compliance, and a more streamlined transaction experience. It is essential to understand the role of Plaid in online financial transactions and to follow best practices when linking your bank account to Venmo or other financial applications.